This is an under power video demonstration of the Clausing Equiptool CSG3A1228 fully hydraulic surface grinder. It's got a 12 by 28 inch chuck. It is new in 2000, and believe it or not, it came out of a hobby shop that did exotic cars. It they probably never used it, but the machine is in immaculate condition, and we just want to let you see that it runs and that it is the coolant system right here. And she's incrementing back and forth. Take a look at the controls. There are the manuals, hydraulic system. Everything is in absolutely fantastic working order with an over-the-wheel dresser. Again, this is a CSG3A1228, new in 2000. It probably doesn't have 100 hours on it.